Hi everyone, welcome to episode 3, and this is part of the video series where we shall look at all the major and minor mistakes that you should take a note of so that you don't commit this during your examination. If you have not yet watched the previous episodes, I suggest you watch them to get a continuity. So far we have covered 3 mistakes. 1, to blindly take off. Second is to cross the red signal, and third is not to follow the speed limit. Now let's continue the flow. You started off well, you're observing the traffic signal, and you're also aware of the speed limits. In the previous point, we said that you should observe the speed limits, you should not cross the speed limits. However, it's also important to avoid driving too slowly. While driving too slowly may not necessarily put other drivers in danger, it can give the impression that you lack confidence, which is not ideal during a driving exam. Additionally, driving too slowly can cause traffic to back up behind you, which can be frustrating for other drivers. So, as a general rule, aim to drive very close to the speed limit. For example, if you are at 50, drive at close to 48, 50 and not too slowly. Although it's generally best to stay in your lane as long as possible, there may be times when you need to switch lanes, such as when your driving examiner instructs you to turn left or right. However, it's crucial that you don't change lanes abruptly or without preparation. Take the time to signal your intent to turn, use your indicators, check your mirrors, and always do a shoulder check to check your blind spots before changing lanes. Remember, proper lane changing procedure is essential for maintaining safety on the road. And hence, not following them becomes a non-negotiable mistake. If you're liking this video so far, please do hit the like button. And if you need more such contents, please hit the subscribe button. And if you find this useful so far, please share with others who are in need. Crossing solid lines or lanes is a non-negotiable mistake. Solid lines are put in place to prevent accidents and to ensure everyone's safety on the road. Say for example, for some reason you missed to follow that instruction from your examiner, probably a language issue, and you are this yellow car and you have already reached that solid lane area. It is better to apologize and continue straight rather than risking a dangerous maneuver by crossing a solid line. Remember, not taking that turn is not considered to be a mistake for you to fail that exam. But of course, if you wear that green car, you had enough time to take or complete your right turn procedure. So remember, crossing a solid line is a non-negotiable mistake. So that's all with this episode. Stay tuned for the next one.